Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Amazon's massive marketplace? This could transform your sales strategy forever. With Amazon dominating over 37% of online retail sales, the opportunity to grow your business is immense. Yet, this opportunity comes with fierce competition, making a simple product listing insufficient for success. You need effective strategies to boost your sales and stand out in the crowded Amazon marketplace. In this video, we delve into proven tactics that will help you reach more customers and maximize revenue. First up is mastering Amazon SEO. This involves targeted keyword research and optimized listings that attract buyers. Amazon's algorithm prioritizes listings based on relevance and conversions, making it crucial for your growth. Next, consider leveraging Amazon PPC ads to enhance your visibility and connect with more potential customers. Engagement is another essential factor. Craft persuasive Amazon A+ content to truly showcase your products. Additionally, ethically earning positive reviews goes a long way in building trust and driving sales. Don't overlook global expansion through Amazon's marketplace network. It's a powerful way to broaden your reach. Moreover, effective pricing and inventory management strategies can greatly influence your sales potential. While you work on these strategies, let Getida manage your FBA reimbursements and recover lost revenue. Our advanced auditing technology identifies discrepancies to ensure you're not missing out on any profits. To effectively boost your sales, it's vital to understand how Amazon's search algorithm, A9, works. The A9 algorithm ranks products based on sales performance, relevance, price, and customer reviews. Winning the buy box is crucial, as it significantly impacts how well your products sell on Amazon. High-quality product listings optimized for Amazon SEO will improve your organic ranking and boost sales. Correct categorization of your products maximizes visibility in search results. Never underestimate its importance. Embracing the Amazon Vine program can help you gain valuable reviews, paving the way for more customers. You can also utilize Amazon's various ad types. Choose wisely for maximum visibility and reach. Running targeted ad campaigns can lead to substantial sales lifts, especially within your first year. Creating dynamic Amazon A+ content can enhance customer experience, significantly affecting purchase decisions. Your pricing strategy should include competitive pricing and attractive offers to drive sales consistently. Use fulfilling methods like FBA for fast delivery. This improves customer satisfaction and boosts your sales. Monitoring your fulfillment metrics will ensure efficient performance and keep your customers happy. Utilizing Amazon Seller Central analytics tools can provide insights to improve product listings and strategies. Track essential metrics like conversion rates and click-through rates to refine your advertising efforts. Analyze customer engagement techniques, such as rewarding repeat customers and creating consistent posts. Partnerships with influencers or agencies can provide further growth opportunities and expand your reach. Finally, remember that avoiding common mistakes, like low-quality listings or reliance solely on Amazon traffic, is vital. Partnering with Getida will not only enhance your Amazon experience but also help recover lost revenue and unlock your potential.